Good morning, sharks. How is everybody today? All right, are you guys ready for calendar time? Let's get started. All right, the first thing is today's date. It's still the month of April. Yesterday was April 14th. What do you guys think comes after 14? 14 was a 1 and a 4. Do you guys know what comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 14, after a 1 and a 4, comes a 1 and a 5. A 1 and a 5. Put those together, put a 1 and a 5 together, you get 15. This is the number 15. Today is April 15th. 15th. All right, now for the days of the week. I want to do something different today. I think today, when I sing our song, I'm going to knock. All right, ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. So what is today's day? What is the day of the week today? We had Sunday and Monday. Yesterday was Tuesday. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. The day of the week is Wednesday. Wow, Wednesday is a long name, long word. All right. Oh, and you guys know what? Today is Work Together Wednesday. At school, I talked to you guys about using teamwork to help get things accomplished, to help get things done. And it's just as important to use teamwork at home to work together to get things accomplished. For example, at my house, David and I work together to keep the house clean, to do the laundry and the dishes. And we work together to make decisions. What are some things that you can do at home to work together with your family? Can you find something today? It could even be something like working together to color a picture or working together to build with blocks. Anything you want, you can work together. All right. After the day of the week, we have to figure out what is the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy out today? Ooh, let's look outside. I'm looking. Yesterday there were lots of clouds, but today there's not. Today I see the bright blue sky outside. What does that mean for me? What's the weather like today? Today at my house, it is sunny. The sun is shining bright outside. It's still a little bit cold, a little bit chilly, but it's supposed to be warming up soon. All right, what letter are we learning about? Do you guys remember what letter this is? It kind of looks like the letter O, but then it has a little line through it at the bottom. And then here's the little letter. It has like a circle at the top and then a line down and a little bitty line back up right here. This is the letter Q. Q. What sound does Q make? Q says qua, qua. One of the things we talked about that starts with Q is queen. Qua, qua, queen. We also talked about quail. Quail. A quail is a type of bird. Now we're going to talk about a few more things that start with the letter Q. Quilt. This is a quilt. A quilt is a type of blanket. It has lots of little pieces that are put together to make one big blanket called a quilt. This is a quill. A quill. It looks like a feather, doesn't it? A quill is actually a feather that you can write with. So at the end it has a tip on it and you dip it in some ink and then you can write on paper with it. That is a quill. The next thing that I found is a quiche. Quiche. And a quiche is a type of food made with eggs. It kind of looks like a pie, but it's made out of eggs. It's a quiche. And the last thing I found is a little animal called a quokka. This is a quokka. A quokka is about the size of a cat, and it lives in Australia, and it has a long tail that you can kind of see right there, a long tail, and it has a pouch for its babies just like a kangaroo. It's called a quokka, and quokka starts with Q. All right, that's all the Q things that I found. We don't have anybody in our class that starts with a Q. All right, we are also still learning about this number. What number is this? What number is it? It's a 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're still going to be learning about the number 7 for the rest of April. We're also still going to be learning about this shape. What shape is this? It is a triangle. A triangle. I can make a triangle, triangle, triangle. I can make a triangle just like this. All right. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides for a triangle. All right. That is the end of calendar time for today, guys. I am wishing you well, and remember, I miss you and I love you so very much. I can't wait to see you guys at school again. I love you. Bye.